you guys, this is gonna be a voiceover. So we're gonna start off with my yellow green liquid pigment, and this is my apple green powdered pigment. And one of my favorite oils I'm gonna be using today is gonna be almond oil. This Versagel base, I'm almost done with it, but it's from No Problema. I ordered that off of Amazon. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna start by pouring in some of this powder I'm sorry, not the base, but the pigment. And I'm just gonna put some oil in there and I'm gonna mix it together. This is actually a new technique that I've seen a lot of people been using. And it just brings out the color more to mix the powder pigment in with the oil before putting it into the base. So we're just gonna mix that up real good and make sure that there's no excess oil or no excess powder in your mixture. And I do believe I'm probably gonna add some more oil to this. The color is coming out really, really pretty. I really do like that color right there. Yeah, just gonna add a little more oil. Mix that together there. Yeah. Yeah, I do believe that's what we want right there. Yeah, that color is really, really pretty. It's really pretty green. And we're just gonna pour, that's the base there. We're gonna pour this into your base. I'm not gonna pour it all at one time. We're gonna gradually pour it. But we're gonna mix this here in to the base. Yeah. You don't want to go too fast when you're mixing your color in your base, because it's gonna cause bubbles. And if you're like me, it's gonna make your arm really tired. But seriously though, don't mix it too fast, because it's gonna cause a bubble in the base, and you don't want bubbles in your base. That color there by itself is just really pretty as well. I'm gonna put all that in because you want the color and the moisture from the oil in your base. So I'm gonna make sure I pour all of this into my base. I typically use almond oil and vitamin E oil, but today I'm just gonna use the almond oil. Yeah, we're gonna mix that in real good. Make sure that color gets into all that base and there's no clear base left, excess base left that you can see. Just gonna mix that real good. And we're gonna pour some more of our color in there. I'm probably gonna scrape that later because there's still some in there. But yeah, keep mixing and but that is a little too thick for my liking, so I'm gonna pour a little more oil in there. Um, Now to get the texture where I want it, put a little more oil. And we're gonna mix that up there just a little bit. So here we're adding in the liquid pigment. I want to add that to bring it out, bring that green out a little more, make it just a little darker than what it is. So we're gonna mix that there, mix it up real good in there, and that colors. Ooh, that green is popping. I like that. Oh, I like that. I'm definitely gonna make a personal tool with this. That is beautiful. A little more oil here, just to, get that texture the way you want it. You don't want to add too much oil to where the color separates or anything, but just enough oil so you can get your texture the way that you want it. Finishing color. I really like that color. I already have a name for it, but I'm not gonna tell you guys just yet. Yeah. So now what we're doing is we got our pipette here, and we're gonna cut this on both ends. I do this because I typically, if I just cut the bulb in, the pipette seems to slip off of my syringe. So, seen a few people use the technique to just cut off both ends, and it works for me. So, hey, why not do it? So here we're filling the syringe, and um, I typically use a spatula, but my spatula is broken, so um, I'm using a spoon that I have here, which makes it a lot harder, but I'm gonna get it done. So yeah, here I was not prepared as I should have been, but I'm gonna grab my actual lip gloss tubes. These here are 10 ml wand tubes. I got all of my tubes from Amazon. I'm gonna grab 3 of those, and I'm just gonna start filling. The reason we use the pipette is so we can reach to the bottom of the tube, and so we're gonna start filling. And you want to make sure that you put enough gloss in there, but not too much. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top, because then your stopper, it won't go in. Well, it'll go in, it'll just continue to pop out. But yeah, so we're gonna fill all of these tubes here. And yeah, I kind of skipped over this part. Um that there is a 10 ml squeeze tube. I also got that from Amazon. We're gonna fill 3 of those as well. Okay, here we're gonna start putting our tubes together. I actually like putting the squeeze tubes together because they're so easy to put together. You just push it in and screw on the top. We're gonna do the same thing for all 3 of these squeeze tubes here. Oh my god, y'all, that color is really pretty to me. I'm really loving that color. I really am. It is so pretty. So yeah, this is where the hard part comes in. I hate putting the stoppers in these particular ones. It's so hard. It seems like they make the stoppers like a totally different shape. Um, versus the actual tubes. But I'm gonna get it in there. I'm probably gonna fast forward through this part as well. And there you have it. This pretty green. We have a squeeze tube and a wand tube. You have 3 wand tubes. Yeah, I'm loving this color. Oh my god, it's so freaking pretty. Like, this is gonna be available as soon as I put it on my channel. You will be able to get this color. Oh my god, yeah, great.